Right. Okay, the two major rules when soldering are cleanliness and heat. If the joint is clean enough and the joint is hot enough, it will solder correctly. So basically all I'm doing here is just wiping the surface of the two joints to be soldered with a little bit of Scotch-Brite or wire wool. Today we're going to solder a piece of 3/4 inch copper pipe using a Portasol HP820 blowtorch. The beauty about this torch is it's so small and compact you can get into all those little nooks and crannies and small corners under the sink, in the bathroom, in the hot press. This is the tool for the job. Small, compact, yet powerful. Basically we're using Yorkshire fittings or pre-soldered joints. If your copper pipe is clean, you're getting it hot enough, you'll have no problem soldering. So literally assemble the joint and apply the heat. As the copper pipe gets hot enough, you'll see how the solder melts from the little ring down inside and creeps up through capillary action to form a good tight, watertight joint. I don't know whether you can see that now on camera, but that's just come up nicely. And the same around the side here.